So this game is very simple. All you have to do is read what you see, right? So I'm going to count you so we don't all do it together, okay? 1, 2, 3. Amazing. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. If you were Portuguese, right? How about this one? 1, 2, 3. What are you reading? There are no words there. I said read what you're seeing, right? It literally says what are reading, right? That's what you should have said, right? Why is this? It's because perception is grounded in our experience, right? The brain takes meaningless information and makes meaning out of it, which means we never see what's there, we never see information, we only ever see what was useful to see in the past. Right? Which means when it comes to perception, we're all like this frog. Right? It's getting information, it's generating behavior that's useful. And sometimes when things don't go our way, we get a little bit annoyed, right? But we're talking about perception here, right? And perception underpins everything we think, we know, we believe, our hopes, our dreams, the clothes we wear, falling in love. Everything begins with perception. Now, if perception is grounded in our history, it means we're only ever responding according to what we've done before. But that creates a tremendous problem, because how can we ever see differently? Now, I want to tell you a story about seeing differently.